We're going to do a brief video on Snapchat stock, and we've got a daily chart here for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. As you can see, Snapchat's down here. It's hard to see, but it's down 29% today, currently trading at $7.64. The daily range is from $7.51 all the way up to $8.15. Volume is already 73 million shares, and average daily volume is 54 million shares. Not sure what fundamentally is going on with this stock, but from a technical perspective, we can see it's been in a bear market since back here in October of 2021. It's had some great respect for the 20-day moving average, and then just comes across, corrects its oversold condition, and sells off again following the 20-day down. You can see we've been basically sideways since middle of little late July all the way up until yesterday, but now we've taken a huge plummet down here to $7.61. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. You can see it on here. It's a disaster. We can get this to work. You can see, looking at an hourly chart, this drop is from approximately $10.25 to the low is $7.60, and this is today. It looks like it did that on the opening. You can see that the stock was kind of behaving normally following this 200-hour moving average. When you have a stock that's around a flat moving average like this, a 200 moving average on an hourly, this is what you would normally expect to see. You're going to get some huge moves like this, but you would normally expect to see some sideways movement. You can see this kind of sideways movement after a severe drop. That's normal for a 200-day moving average on an hourly chart, but obviously something seriously wrong here with the stock this morning. Let's take a look at the weekly chart because it shows us where the support is. We go out here to the 1-week chart, and we can see, again, this is not right, but we can get it fixed. We can see here that our low for support, the week of March 9th, 2020, actually it's a week before. Let me find it here. Right here, $7.89 on March, the week 16th, March 16th of 2020, $7.89. So we broke through that today. We're $7.51. So it's violated its support here, which was its last major support until we get all the way down here in the $475 range. So stock is below the 200-week moving average, below the 20-week moving average, and of course the 5-week moving average was sideways, but it's broken way down below that now. So nothing but negativity for Snap right at the moment, and the reality of the situation is there's probably something fundamentally going on with it. But from a technical perspective, it's now oversold. You never want to catch a falling knife, and you can see it's done this before. Right here, this February 2nd, this stock's used to drawing, gapping down, dropping, gapping down, and then rallying back up strong. So I suspect that similar to that will happen, but the question is, how far is this going to go? It's really not possible to say right at the moment, so I'm not even going to attempt it, but it wouldn't surprise me if this stock went down as low as in the 5s and possibly the high 4s before it rallies back up. But that's just total speculation, my opinion, for entertainment purposes only. Let's take a look and see what RBM Research says about it today. I have a feeling that it gapped through our prices. We follow Snap. We had prices on it of $10.32 all the way up to $10.69. These are algorithmically generated prices out for this morning, the 21st of October, 1, 5, and 10-day holds, and you can see it's gapped all through that. The high today is $8.15, so it gapped right through our prices. We had some buys on there, but who knows? It may come back today, but I doubt it. So that's where we are with our algorithmically generated prices today. We put out 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC cryptos, and the most liquid futures contracts. Entry prices for all of those every day at rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. They're all out before 7 a.m. Free access, no credit card required. You just go over to RBM Research, follow the link, and put your email address in there and get immediate access for free. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use our entry prices or commentary for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And we'd love to hear some comments from you in the comments section below.